Hello, I am Xia. Today I am going to tell you about the future of technologies. There are many potential future technologies that are currently under development or being researched. Some examples include artificial intelligence and machine learning, which have the potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. Quantum computing, which has the potential to solve problems that are currently intractable for classical computers. 5G and 6G networks, which promise to greatly increase the speed and capacity of mobile networks. Internet of Things, IoT, devices, which are becoming more prevalent and have the potential to transform the way we interact with the physical world. Autonomous vehicles, which have the potential to greatly reduce accidents and improve transportation efficiency. Virtual reality and augmented reality, which have the potential to change the way we interact with computers and the world around us. Biotechnology, such as CRISPR, can change the way we approach medicine and agriculture. Sustainable energy technologies, such as solar, wind, and hydrogen power, which have the potential to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. This is a non-exhaustive list, and many other futuristic technology are being under development.